Hello, this is Manikan. Today I'm going to show you how to use the layouts and switching between them in MIT App Inventor 2 tool. Here under the user interface you can find the layout of different arrangements like table, vertical and horizontal, where all of these three can be used to arrange the components in their respective order. Whereas the table arrangement arranges the components in tabular form and vertical arrangement arranges the components by line, and horizontal arrangement arranges the component in cascading manner, which is a sequential order. Let's do a small example of this to get a clear understanding of this. Just drag and drop the table arrangement to the viewer, and here you can find in the properties the columns is set to default to 2 and the rows is set to default to 2. You can modify it according to your requirement, and I'm changing the width to full parent and height to 40%. Yeah, because the rest of the place should be needed to arrange the vertical and horizontal arrangement. And now add the components in the table arrangement. I'm adding the label to it. Yeah, see here where you can find the blue mark, you can add in that place. Other than in that place you cannot add the components. And here I added both in rows and columns. Extending to the rows and columns, it would not take, see the 2 rows and 2 columns we have given in the table arrangement. Extending to it, it would not take even you have been pushed into the viewer component. And I'm changing the font 17, and I'm changing the text to include help tutorial. And yes, yeah, see here you can find the arrangements of the labels in the tabular form, and down to it you can now add the vertical arrangement. Just drag and drop down to the table arrangement and set the width to full parent and height to 40% or give it to 50%. Yeah, and the rest of the place should be needed. See, before you going to add the horizontal arrangement, go to screen 1, and here you can find the scrollable where you can add the scroll bar so that you can extend the place in your app, so that the scroll bar, when the place is extended, go to vertical arrangement, and here in the background color you can set it to none so that the background will be in transparent in some of the phones, and it is depending upon the phones. In many phones it would be white color. And now add the components to the vertical arrangement. Go to user interface, and then I'm adding the image component to the vertical arrangement. I'm setting the height to full parent and width to 50%, and I'm adding another image to the component, and I'm setting the width to full parent and height to full parent. Yeah, see now here you can see the two components which are arranged in vertical order. And now I am adding the image to the component, and go to picture and upload file. Choose the file in your local file system. You do and upload it. Press OK. Yeah, the uploading is done. Even if your picture is big, you can check it by, or else you can put the tick mark so that it will fit into a according to the sizes of the vertical arrangement. And now go to the next image one and upload the picture. Choose the file. Yeah, the uploading is done. And now add the layout horizontal arrangement to the under vertical arrangement. And see, now you can see the scroll bar because we have added in the screen one. And go to horizontal component and set the height to width to full parent and height to 50%. Yeah, see here you can find the scroll bar which is extending according to the place what you have added with the default settings. And you can change the default color to none because all these arrangements are to be set in the background color of white so that we cannot find the clumsiness in the background. And now add the components in the horizontal arrangement. Go to user interface and I'm adding the image components 1 and 2. See here you can find the components which I arranged are being arranged in the horizontal order. And I'm changing the settings to width to 40% and height to full parent, and I'm changing the image for width to 40% and height to full parent. And I'm adding the images. Just add the go to upload file and choose the file. And okay, the uploading is done. And set it to the scale picture to fit, or else if you need it, or else just leave it as it is. And go to image and upload another image. Yeah, now put this the scale picture to fit so that it looks nice. Yeah, here are the arrangements where the table arrangement is arranged in the table order, and the vertical arrangement arranged in the vertical manner. And here you can find the horizontal arrangement which are arranged in the cascading manner. And this is the way how we arrange the layouts which are used for the arrangement of the components. If you find this video helpful, please share it, and thank you all.